Yo, all right. So today is March 3rd, 2025. We're gonna go over the assessment. We're gonna go over today's pre-market levels. Um, I'm going to. I did not do it the night before, so we're gonna do some lot of deleting, and then just going through it. What we need to go through. Let's add our. Let's add this here, and then we're gonna add all the time frames I typically use: the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly. All right, so that's done. All right, so we're gonna just focus on these right here for now. Um, let's hit the 30-minute on all. No, let's hit 30-minute on all of them. We're gonna delete some of this here. So price closed around here yesterday. Look like we bounced up. Look like we're going up toward these highs here. Strong reversal here. I don't see any volume, but I'm just gonna delete everything here and go from that. I'm just gonna start deleting stuff. Everything just needs to go. Yes, last week Friday I said, man, this looks like we're setting up for a strong reversal. I did not expect it to actually reverse like this. Should have expected more of myself, right? Because we sure did reverse like crazy. So I wasn't able to catch any of that, which sucks. Then today it seemed like we're just breaking every single level that it can possibly think of. Yeah, it was a nice reversal down there. Absorption on 9:30, push up, strong buy, came back down, and then bought up again. So right now, just cleaning up. I want to see what actually happened down here. Got this one here, and then we got this one here. Let's see what we get in the 15-minute. Continue deleting stuff until we have nothing else to delete. So we got this here. We got what else? We got to focus on. Gonna delete this down here, down here. All right, so let's see what was happening at the bottom. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. All right, so see we got a buy here on the 15-minute. I don't see it on the 30. All right, so I'm gonna make this a little narrow like this. I'll put it like that, like this here. Let's zoom in. This kind of right here, right? That's where the buying came back again. So you see buying came in again right there on that volume. Let's go to the 5-minute. I don't see anything in the 5-minute to help support this. I do have a sell that's failed. Not a sell that's failed. You can see that price had a sell fail. We absorbed that, came back up, came back and retested it. So how would I capitalize on that? I don't know. Let's go to the 1-minute. Let's go to the 1-minute. Nothing down there. All right. We have RSIs, reverse, came back down, pushed up, and then straight reversal from there. Let's go to so that one we just have to just be by, you know, sell, push up, right? Higher time frame determination, because we had that buying right here, strong buys. So we just have to just wait for that. Look at, okay, there goes the absorption right here. Just have to wait for something for a Q to say let's get in, and it looked like it came from the 1 hour. The 1 hour right here, about 12 points for these 113. Sheesh. Let's mark this. Let's want to see what all that is that's down. Let's go to 30, and then I'm gonna get back. Then I'm gonna get to my levels. Right, I like this stop right here. That looks good. That looks good. Let's go to 30-minute real quickly. All right. Boom. Okay. Let's go to the 15-minute. Buying. Came back down. That looks like a nice area to buy. Let's go to the 5-minute. So we got boom, boom, boom. Strong buy. Came back down. Held. Okay. So gotta zoom out of the smaller time frames for the most part. I'm gonna put on my other computer the 1 hour, the 30-minute, and the 15-minute just to keep an eye on them. And then on this computer here, on the other screen, I'm gonna keep just the volume because the volume tells me what direction that we're likely going to go. And I have to trust in that. All right, so let's get to our levels. Let's start knocking them out. So first is the weekly highs and lows. So the weekly highs and lows. This is going to be one of my weekly lows. Got that. Let's go here. All right, so we got no. This is going to be a 3. That's gonna be 3. Let's go. Got that one. Let's drag this one up here. We're gonna bring this one out to the front. That. All right. I'm gonna delete all of these here. Let's create. We're gonna drag this bad boy down. That, and we're gonna make it solid. I'm gonna drag this one down. It's solid down there. All right, let's go here. I'm gonna keep these because it's still very close. I'm gonna grab a copy of that one, bring it forward, bring it up like that. We're going to delete this one. We're going to grab the one here at the top. Make a copy of it and bring it down. Alright. So we got our weekly highs and lows. Let's go to our daily. Let's look at the volume. We can see that a lot of buying came during that day. On NQ, ES is not showing or presenting any of that. Maybe we'll revisit down here. And I say we're going to revisit because we had a long tail right here. See, we revisited that. Right, I thought, you know, I'd had a better thing to help me gauge the direction, but you know, just got to be more selective. All right, we're gonna mark the daily, the highs and lows on the 30-minute. All right, so let's see if we have anything. So now we're looking for stuff that are the same that I can work with. I'm gonna drag this out. This. I'm gonna drag this one out. Like this. Strong buying. There's a lot of commotion in these levels here, so I will look for something in them. Because we may sell again. Right, and QES just might go a little higher, but it might still sell. Let's remove this and then we'll look closer into it. But I don't think the ES one is gonna matter too much because we're really above it. But I think the NQ one might matter because it's gonna match with what ES had before. Let's go to the hour. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out a little bit more. All right, we got something. We got a level right here. Just in case I missed it, I probably already have it uh, prop properly set up. But we're gonna dive into that. That one is probably dead to me now. Nothing's there. That one we've cleared in a sense. We bought, came back down, majorly bought. I'm going to add something like this, cause we blazed through it on that 1 hour. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this here. Let's remove these. Sorry, I'm gonna stop the music now. I had another background music that was just so annoying that I could not focus, so I had to put this over it. Alright, so let's go to the 30-minute. Alright. Alright, so we have the 30-minute. We got this one right here. It's pretty damn long. Can't really mess with that yet. We do have end of day volume that is huge as heck. This right here, strong end of day volume. Alright, I'm going to want to look what's in here. I'm going to mark it like this. 30-minute EOD B. In case I leave it, I don't have to edit it twice. Bring it up. Do I have one already there somewhere I could just drag? No. Alright, here. Alright. 30-minute EODV. Alright. It's also the high of the day. Is it not? Yeah, it's a high of the day. Plus high. Plus high. It doesn't look like I have an EODV there. Alright, back to what I was doing here. Let's zoom in. And we're going to mark this 30-minute candle right here. Like this. And we're going to dive more into it. Okay, look like we're trying to absorb now. Yeah, absorb. Alright, I'm going to mark this bottom part right here. Let's that one here. I'm gonna make that one at 30. This one at 16. That. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. This one at 30. At 16. That. Okay. Now let's go to the -minute time frame. Yeah, strong end of day volume in this bad boy right there. Alright, I'm gonna go from left to right, alright, just to help me not jump too many places at one time. Alright, so from left to right, we have this candle right here. I'm starting to like the wick. Like this candle right here. This one right here. Alright. We're gonna go down. We're gonna zoom out. We'll zoom out. Alright, so now that we're here, we're gonna focus on this EOD right here. So we're just gonna bring, yeah, I'm gonna bring this up to here. I'm gonna make this 15-minute. I think this might be the area that I work with. We're gonna make this one 15-minute as well. That, and this is already 15. Oh, this is 30. Okay. That. That. I'm gonna zoom out. All right. So as you can see, we're working. I think this is gonna be my place that I'm working with right here. I like to see price really come down to here. Volume coming up, creeping up. Strong little trend line up. Let's go to the 5-minute. There goes my EOD with VIX. I said 2. I did my highs and lows with VIX. I don't think I did that. I mean, that's already a high. That's already a low. Like that. That's already yeah. So that's pretty much works out pretty good. All right. I did that. I went from left to right. Let's go 5-minute. Same thing. We'll go from left to right. Alright, so this absorption is important. That's important. That one kind of cleared it. That one already. That one's cleared. But I'm going to keep this one here. Okay. So these are pretty much set pretty well the way they are. I'll just be looking for anything that stands out. Alright, this one, it was just, there's nothing there really, so this can go. That one can go. Alright, so since we never really broke this one, I am going to mark this one here. That. We so happen to have this, and then price bounced up very nicely, came back down, and then went. Okay. Do we even have an EOD at the end? We don't have an EOD with it. Just the 15 and the 30-minute. So not gonna stress ourselves out, but we do have 5-minute. We do have a 5-minute buying candle. right there. Look like we nicely knit it and moved up. That one is dead. All right, I don't have anything there. Let's go to the 1 minute, and then we're gonna start winding down with everything. Might be just too much information on the 1 minute. More so looking at that end of day volume, which I don't see. Alright, VersaViz is too much information for me to really deal with. I'm going to work with just the extremes. I don't think I'm going to get anything from the 1 minute because of the amount of information that we have. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of the top part here. This can go. No, I need the high. The EOD can go, but I need the high. Alright. Same thing with that one here. This EOD can go, but I want the high. Alright, we got that. Okay. So we're going to add in settlement price. Let's go to 30 minute. This can go. Let's go back to the 15 minute. I just want to get the rest of this here. And then I'm going to go to the 5 minute to see if we have a 5 minute setup just like the other two. Let's zoom out because I didn't look. Look like we do. Alright, so we do have a 5 minute area, but we kind of destroyed it. So I don't know how prices will react. Alright, let's go to let's open up our charts. Let's go to boom, 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 boom. Today we have PMI 945, 10 o'clock, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so let's go here. No, 45, okay. So let's go settlement price. Settlement price up there. That's a little gap area to close. Alright, 23 minutes. Okay, logging off very soon. Alright, there. So I definitely want to see price come back to this right here. I definitely want to see price come down to here. Alright, and then earnings. Nothing's popping up. Nvidia on Wednesday. Nvidia Wednesday. I think that's pretty much might be the thing here. Oh, we also have AMC, the meme stock from a year or two ago. That's it. Advanced Auto Parts are out of business, so I'm not even sure why they're even up there. More likely it will just be a selling thing. So that's it for me. I am going to log off. I will be looking for just everything will have to be in sync with NQ and ES together, and the volume. That's all I'm looking for. If I'm following the volume, I have a higher chance of picking the right trade. And then if I let ES and NQ run together when my entries and the levels, I have a higher chance of really getting a good run. And if I wait for the 5 minutes to give me the volume at that level, it's just like that's 100% best trade. All right, so that's it for me. I am out.